Today on Rust Belt Vintage Toy Repair, I'm going to restore this vintage 1973 Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset. Although I didn't have the Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset, I did have the Mattel Preschool Motor Putt-Putt Railroad Playset as a child. I received it as a Christmas gift from my parents in 1973. Unboxing and inventory. I purchased this Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset on eBay about 4 years ago. I believe its buy it now price was $20 plus shipping and of course sales tax. I can't find the exact transaction on eBay as the purchase records don't go back that far. The front of the box features a colored graphic of this playset, and the back of the box features a useful monotone graphic of the assembled set and a description of the items included. The back of the box also has important information for parents, including safety test information in the upper left-hand corner. Play value information indicating that a child playing with the set will have hours of imaginative camping play. The Mattel logo with the model number of this set, which is 7066. And the year this playset was made, which was 1973. In addition, country of origin information is printed on the back of the box, indicating that the vehicles in this set were made in Korea, I assume South Korea, but the rest of the set, including the box, track, and buildings, were made in the United States. The left side of the box features a colored graphic with a view of the Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset. There is also useful information like the number of play pieces, that no batteries are needed, and the set is intended for boys and girls ages 2 to 7. Looks like the original price of this playset was $11.90, purchased from Brit's department store. The right side of the box has the same information as the left, but it is in monotone instead of colored graphic like on the left side. Both the top and the bottom of the box have similar monotone graphics as the left side of the box, minus the child playing with the set. I performed a complete inventory using the monotone graphic on the back of the box to determine what should be included in this set. All required parts were present, along with a few extra pieces. The eBay seller included 2 putt-putt cycles instead of just one included in the original set. A putt-putt card that was not part of the original set was also included. Looks like the card was from a newer Mattel putt-putt set produced in 1974. The included putt-putt wind-up motor camper provides all the action in the Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset. Winding the spare tire clockwise on top of the cab tensions the internal clock spring in the putt-putt wind-up motor camper, which propels it around the track. The blue portal-style window on the back of the putt-putt wind-up motor camper gives it a groovy 1970s look. Mattel often used anti-tamper security screws on many putt-putt vehicles. The only putt-putt vehicle you might need to disassemble is one of the wind-up ones. Luckily, security bit sets like this Aria are readily available on Amazon. 3 switch gates circled on the back of the box control the putt-putt wind-up motor camper's direction on the track. Cleaning. All parts of my Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt Playset were cleaned with my go-to cleaner, Windex. I filled an old lens cleaner bottle with Windex as it is easier to handle. Q-tips moistened with Windex were used to clean hard-to-reach spots. Each track piece had a part number, year, and the company, in this case Mattel, molded into it. Denatured alcohol was used to remove scuffs on the track caused by the wheels of the putt-putt vehicles. One of the track pieces was missing one of 2 tabs. This track piece could still be used with only 1 tab. All putt-putt vehicles were cleaned with Windex as well. Armor All was used to bring back the luster to the 52-year-old plastic parts of this playset. Either a child or an animal was gnawing on the plastic tree that came with this playset. Time to reassemble the plastic tree. All putt-putt vehicles were treated to a coat of Armor All as well. Elmer's Craft Bond glue was used to reaffix any stickers that have curled up with age. This glue dries clear. Playset assembly. Assembly was a snap. The movable drawbridge was then installed, then the dock with launching arm. Blue switch gates control the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper's direction. The covered bridge, camp headquarters, and tree were added. Finally, the Putt-Putt boat, wind-up motor camper, trailer, and cycle were added. Many of the track pieces had become warped with age and possibly heat. Due to the warpage, some of the track pieces would not stay connected. I used 18-gauge solid wire with yellow plastic insulation and placed them between the tabs to more securely fasten the warped track pieces together to the other ones. Testing. A common issue with this set is the clock spring in the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper loses its tension after being wound up hundreds of times during the life of this playset. Age also doesn't help the tension of the clock spring. The Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper will not go as far with a clock spring that has lost its tension. I had attempted to crack open the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper to see if I could effectively replace the clock spring. Unfortunately, Mattel made this vehicle tamper-proof, and I could not remove the spare tire knob used to wind up the internal clock spring. Nor could I loosen the 2 screws that hold the wooden cab to the plastic base. Let's see how well the 52-year-old clock spring in this Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper works. I decided to do all the testing without the trailer. Due to the weakened clock spring, the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper just has enough energy to pull itself around the track. Just about 3 loops around the outer track, not too bad. As mentioned, the blue switch gates allow you to control the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper's direction, in this case, to the inner loop. The other blue switchgate allows the Putt-Putt wind-up motor camper to park next to camp headquarters. An oddity of this Mattel Preschool Putt-Putt set is that it doesn't include any Little People characters. Box cleaning and repair. The box of my Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt playset was in pretty good shape, but was still in need of minor repair and cleaning. There is a piece of old yellowed packing tape on the back corner of the box. I was able to remove it by very slowly pulling the tape up and not ruining the printing on the box underneath it. I found another piece of yellowed packing tape on the box. This one was stubborn and I decided to leave it in place as I didn't want to pull off the graphics. The exterior of the box was thoroughly cleaned with Windex in order to remove years of dirt. It was harder to remove embedded dirt from non-laminated sides of the box as it became embedded into the porous surface. The laminated front of the box was also cleaned with Magic Eraser. Tears in the box were repaired with Elmer's Craft Bond glue. It dries clear. The tabs that hold the end of the box together were also repaired with Elmer's Craft Bond glue as well. The laminated top and the left side of the box was treated to a coat of Armor All. Conclusion. I had a lot of fun restoring this vintage 1973 Mattel Preschool Camp Putt-Putt playset. It brought back many wonderful childhood memories of playing with my Mattel Preschool Moto Putt-Putt Railroad playset. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Vintage Toy Repair so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.